In this video, I'll show you how to send a test email in Klaviyo. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once inside, look to the left-hand side menu and click on the Campaigns option. Next, start creating your campaign by clicking on the Create Campaign button located at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Give your campaign a name if you'd like, then click on Continue. Proceed by selecting the recipients for your campaign, choosing who you'd like to send the email to. When you're done, click Next at the top right of your screen. Now it's time to set your email's subject line. Enter the subject line you want for this campaign, then continue by clicking on Create. This will open up the email designer where you can start building your email. Here, you can add text, images, and other elements to shape your message. For demonstration, I'm keeping it simple by adding just a basic text block. Before moving forward by clicking Next, it's important to test your email. To do this, select the Preview and Test option at the upper right-hand side of the screen. Scroll down slightly until you reach the section labeled Send a Preview using a profile. Enter the email address you'd like to send the test to in the provided box. If you plan to use this address for future tests, you can check the box to save it. Once ready, click on Send Test. Now head over to the inbox of the email address you entered, refresh the page, and check if the test email has arrived. If it's not in the main inbox, click on More on the left side of your email client and look under the Spam folder, as test emails often land there. Open the email to review it and confirm everything looks correct. That's how you send a test email in Klaviyo.